Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Blox fruits with cardboard. First, gather your crafting essentials. You'll need sturdy cardboard, sharp scissors or a craft knife, strong adhesive like hot glue or craft glue, and a variety of acrylic paints. Also, have a pencil for sketching and a ruler for precise cuts. Choose your favorite Blox fruit design to guide your creation, perhaps the popular Flame fruit. Now, let's shape your fruit. Begin by sketching the outline of your chosen Blox fruit onto a piece of cardboard. Carefully cut out these shapes. To give your fruit a robust, three-dimensional feel, layer several pieces of cardboard. For instance, use 2 or 3 layers for a solid base. Apply glue evenly between each layer, pressing firmly. Allow sufficient time for the glue to dry completely before proceeding. With the basic shape formed, it's time for details. Use a craft knife to carefully carve or cut in the unique patterns and textures of your Blox fruit. For example, add swirling lines for a devil fruit effect. To achieve a smoother surface, apply a thin layer of paper mache or even tissue paper with diluted glue. This step helps hide the cardboard edges and creates a better canvas for painting. Finally, bring your Blox fruit to life with color. Use acrylic paints to apply vibrant base coats. For instance, a bright red for the Flame fruit. Add darker shades in crevices and lighter highlights on raised areas to create depth and make your fruit appear more realistic. Once the paint is completely dry, apply 1 or 2 coats of a clear sealant spray. This protects your masterpiece and gives it a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.